Hey everyone, Bitcoin just closed below the 50-day moving average. So let's see what history tells us about this. On the chart, you can see previous times Bitcoin closed below the 50-day moving average and what happened afterward. I ran a backtest comparing three strategies: buy and hold, buying only when the close is above the 50-day moving average, and holding when the close is below the 50-day moving average. Here's the backtest data table with key metrics. Buy and hold gave an ROI of 27,748.93% with a profit factor of 1.2 and a win rate of 52.79%. The strategy of buying only when the close is above the 50-day moving average returned an ROI of 82,769.98%, profit factor 1.37, and a win rate of 54.47%, meaning more than half the time. Bitcoin ended positively when closing above 50-day moving average, outperforming buy and hold. On the other hand, holding when the close is below the 50-day moving average led to a negative ROI of -47.49%, a profit factor of 1.03, and a win rate of just 50.7%, showing this strategy struggles compared to the others. Now check these equity curves comparing all three. You clearly see that buying only when Bitcoin closes above the 50-day moving average outperforms. The conclusion is simple. It's much better to be long Bitcoin when it closes above the 50-day moving average than below it. If you found this analysis valuable, please hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated with more data-driven trading insights.